Hello. When applying for regulatory approval, it is always important to identify and determine the strategic business risks, where they arise, and what mitigation factors we employ to manage, reduce, transfer or eradicate them. Strategic risk refers to the internal and external events that may make it difficult, or even impossible, for an organization to achieve their objectives and strategic goals. These risks can have severe consequences that impact organizations in the long term. If you have a business without risks, you don't have a business at all. In this session we normally cover 1. Permissions. A. What happens if you stray beyond your authority? B. Governance requirements and controls. 2. Management oversight is inadequate. A. How this manifests itself. B. What controls are in place. C. What data is circulated. 3. Training and competence and suitability. A. Is the business selling products it is not permitted to? B. What checks are performed and frequency? C. Other controls. 4. Business continuity and succession planning. A. The risks of failover through physical or financial mismanagement. B. How best to mitigate these areas. 5. Compliance function. A. What does it do? B. Is it resourced sufficiently? 6. Remuneration. A. How is pay structured in the business? B. How are bonuses allocated? 7. Scope of service. A. Are the right documents being used? B. Is there a standard set of documentation? C. What checks are conducted on these? 8. Approved persons or SMF. A. Is there a matrix of authority? B. Are roles defined? C. Does everyone know who, what, when and why? And at least another 5 areas of risk that you should take into consideration depending on your type of business. You know that you need a full and thorough application to the regulator. How much have you learned in these 3 videos? We are all about giving value and helping to give you the best chance of getting approved quickly. Sign up today. Click the link back to our offer page now. Get over £27,000 value for less than half the price.